In this tutorial, we're going to be covering the percent operator in Python. Now, what the percent operator does is it returns the remainder of a division operation between two numbers. We can go through some examples here by doing 7% 3, and that'll return us 1 as the remainder of this function's 1. And to test this, we could either do 10 divided by 2, and we can see the remainder of that would be 0. Now, where this can come in handy is for testing if numbers are even. So, for example, we could do this, and we could test if this is an even number by seeing if it returns a remainder of 0. We can even make this number a little larger and do something like this. If we swap it around, we're getting a false as the remainder is not 0. So we can come down to the next line and we're going to define our function here. So we're going to do is even x. Now what we're going to do is if x mod 2 equals 0, considering that that will be a even number, we could do return true. Now on the other hand, we're going to do else return false, as if it's not positive, it has to be negative. Now we can run that, and we can come down, and now we can run is underscore even, and we can pass through whatever number we'd like. So 109, false. 110, true. So what this function will do is it'll tell us if a number is even or odd. Now that's a practical application of the percent operator, and I hope that helps.